Today, the world feels quieter, not because something is missing, but because something is being remembered. Thousands of years ago, in a land far from here, lived a man named Jesus Christ. Not a king, not a warrior, but someone who spoke about love, kindness, and forgiveness. He healed the sick, he gave hope to the broken, and he taught people that even your enemy deserves love. But the world wasn't ready for that kind of truth. His words felt dangerous to those in power, and slowly, love started to look like a threat. He was betrayed by his own people, arrested, humiliated, and sentenced to death. And then came the day when he was made to carry his own cross, walking through the streets in pain alone. They nailed him to the cross, left him there to suffer, to die. But even in that pain, he didn't choose anger. His last words were not revenge, but forgiveness. Father, forgive them, for they do not know what they are doing. And that is why today feels so heavy, because it reminds us that someone chose love even when the world gave him pain. In a place like Aizawl, this silence you see, it's not emptiness, it's respect, it's remembrance, it's faith. Today is not just a sad day, it's a reminder that love can survive pain, forgiveness can defeat hate, and even in silence, there can be the loudest meaning. Maybe that's why this city is so quiet today, because some stories are not meant to be celebrated, they are meant to be felt.
Today marks the sacrifice of Jesus Christ, and Mizoram people celebrate this day with huge respect and silence. आज है गुड फ्राइडे और मैं हूँ इस वक्त चांदमारी आइजॉल में। आज जो है बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट डे है क्रिश्चियनिटी के लिए, क्योंकि आज के ही दिन जो है जीसस क्राइस्ट जो है बेसिकली सेक्रीफाइस दिए थे लोगों के लिए। तो आज इसी बलिदान के लिए लोग इस दिन को गुड फ्राइडे के नाम से मनाते हैं, और मैं इस दिन को ऑब्ज़र्व कर रहा हूँ अभी फ़िलहाल आइजॉल में।